तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। सर्वेभिः सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात्। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम तत्सत् हरि ओम तत्सत् हरि ओम तत्सत्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः ओम तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम महादेवी विद्महे दुर्गायै धीमहि तन्नो देवी प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः ओम तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम महादेवी विद्महे दुर्गायै धीमहि तन्नो देवी प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः ओम तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम महादेवी विद्महे दुर्गायै धीमहि तन्नो देवी प्रचोदयात्। ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्युर्मोक्षमामृतात्। 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 हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। Namaste to all of you. While beginning this topic, let me read a शायरी। आपको देखा तो नजरिया बदल गई, प्यार की चमकता हुआ सितारों है आप, ये महसूस हो गई। आपको देखा तो नजरिया बदल गई, प्यार की चमकता हुआ सितारों है ये आप, ये महसूस हो गई। वो फूल ही नहीं जो भौंरा खींच न सके, वो फूल ही नहीं जो भौंरा खींच न सके, वो प्यार ही नहीं जो कवियों में शायरी बना नहीं सके। वो फूल ही नहीं जो भौंरा खींच न सके, वो प्यार ही नहीं जो कवियों में शायरी बना नहीं सके। तो द पर्पज ऑफ दिस टॉपिक, दिस शायरी इज, वी डोंट हैव ऑलवेज द idea that this is workable. Many things we see, but we never think about over that. So such a topic is to take care of our stomach, the abdomen. Today's topic is how to take care of our abdomen through yoga. So one भगवान कृष्णा एक श्लोका बोले है, अहम वैश्वानर भूत्वां प्राणिनां देहमाश्रितं प्राण अपान समायुक्तं पचारणं चतुर्विधम्। Means I am as a fire, digestive fire. I stay in the body of all the creatures, and I digest the food of 4 types. Prana apana samayuktam means that prana vayu, this prana air and apana vayu, they just they get together and they digest the food inside our body of 4 types. It is explained in the Bhagavad Gita. So our abdomen plays a very important role in our life. We know our abdomen contains one large intestine and one small intestine. The large intestine is 30 feet long and the small intestine is 5 feet long. And we have pancreas over here, we have liver, we have kidney, navel. All these things make this part most important. Any difference in temperature make us disease or make us feel free, healthy. So are we properly taking care of our stomach or our abdomen? So there are some food or also like aloe vera juice, triphala powder, um, um, green coconut, taking of neem. All the many things are some herbs are there. Those we take so to take care of our stomach, like milk, curd, many foods. Always our Gandhi Gyan Mandir also gives Udaramrut one powder and Arogyamrutam. So we most in yoga people take care of their abdomen first, because abdomen plays a very vital role in in the complete health of a person. Now I must demonstrate some exercises that balances the temperature of our body. So you know, Agnisar, Udian Bandha and Agnisar. Udian Bandha and Agnisar are two very good exercises for the stomach, for the abdomen. This topic we will discuss in two parts. For the time being, I am telling the first part. This is Udian Bandha. Complete breath out and raising the stomach upward.
This exercise stretches your abdominals half the time. Take a rest. Next, 8 push-ups. Exercise.
We must understand that
Overstretch.
I am not talking about fat reduction. Fat reduction is something different, like Merudandasana you can do, or you do some Chandra Namaskar, some vomiting exercises like Vajakarni you can do to reduce fat. But I am talking about the temperature balance in our stomach, inside the abdomen. So this is a wonderful thing that can reduce the temperature of our body. We call this Udian Bandha, means just controlling the Samana Vayu, Apana Vayu. Okay, breathing out and raising the stomach upward. Second is Agnisar. Agnisar also Nikam Guruji says that 100 times if you do practice every day, then you can live up to 100 years. But if you do more when you are in fever or you are feeling nervous or something like that, Agnisar is very helpful and can give you back your mental balance. Agnisar, let's do. noli, Vama noli, Dakshina noli, Madhya noli. There are three categories of noli.
Ready to go. Start with jumping jack.
Always Mahabandh, that is Udian Bandh, Mul Bandh and Jalandhar Bandh. This when we are doing this with Mahabandh
System. Half the time.
In hold position. This is also very good for stomach problems.
Abdominal crunches.
Diabetics is a problem due to stomach problem only, because our pancreas cannot digest the sugar. It cannot change into the sugar into blood. So diabetics, we suffer from diabetics. So we do Mahabandh now. I have already told.
The exercise. 10. Abdominal crunches.
This is Apana Uddha Uthaya Pranatha Dadhanayat Nasagra Malakayat Tribandha Tishtat Eva Vyadhi Vinasakari Padmasanam Prochati. This is being told a wonderful exercise for balancing the temperature of our stomach. लेमन, काला मिर्च और तुलसी का चाय regularly taking in empty stomach is also good for our abdomen. And if you have any digestive problem, then this mudra, because this is Prithvi and this is water, so when you join this with thumb finger, little and index little finger, when you just join these tips, then this also creates a kind of temperature in our nerves that is also helpful for our abdomen. Pranayams, particularly when you hold, when I just hold some air inside my stomach, abdomen, suppose I am holding some air, the temperature of the air increases, thereafter I exhale, the temperature of my stomach is balanced. So, say internally or externally, how you are careful about, we are doing many external exercises. We are doing for hands, for legs, for bodybuilding purposes, but going inside your stomach, chakra meditation also, when you just Muladhara chakra, Swadhisthana chakra and Manipur chakra, when you concentrate on these three or this Anahat chakra, these four chakras, when you concentrate, that also good for abdomen exercises. Your abdomen energy is balanced. Now I concentrate on my Muladhara Chakra. I concentrate on lotus flower.
Hands on a bench.
The energy is increasing. Earth color, brown color. I feel my breath. I am keeping my mind on my heart. मूलबंध लगा रहता है. Second, slowly I am raising the energy. स्वाधिष्ठान चक्र, लिली फ्लावर, रेड कलर, water energy. You can contemplate also white color, water color. Increasing and decreasing the perimeter of your Swadhisthana chakra. Then comes Manipur chakra. Concentrate inside champak flower, yellow color, fire energy, increasing the decreasing the perimeter of that chakra. Fourth is Anahat chakra. I am increasing the decreasing the perimeter of this energy. Apana Vayu, Samana Vayu are prevalent in this place. Black color. So these, when these four chakras are, you are concentrating on into these chakras, the soul inside us understands, and the soul is having the power to change the according to our psychology, it can change the temperature. So when you concentrate on these chakras, the soul understands that, and the soul changes the temperature of our body. Thereby, fever-like disease can be reduced. That's how yoga. If you do yoga, then you may be free from corona-like disease, even from diabetes. Okay. Ardha Matsyendrasana is also, good for stomach. It just activates the pancreas. It flows the insulin. One more exercise, Sasankasana. Sasankasana is also good for our abdomen. Breathing, slow breath out. But to reduce the outer fat of our stomach, Merudandasana are being done. Utthana Padmasana is one of the good postures we follow to reduce Utthana Padmasana and Naukasana. This is Utthana Padmasana. Om, 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 Om. Naukasana. Om, Om, Om. And Pavan Muktasana. Pavan Muktasana is also breath out 1, breath out 2, breathe out 3. So there are about 2 hours exercise can be done only for stomach, because our abdomen is the key to our health. All the nerves, 72,000 nerves start